Information and Broadcasting Ministry. Censor board has a very narrow spectrum, whereas OTT platforms create and catches the population in a very wider range. Bollywood that just display everything in a very expensive manner, which most of the people fail to just relate with them. One or the other way, it is letting our youth to change themselves in a way which leads nowhere. Now my judges and the audience would be thinking that why I am talking about Bollywood if the topic here is about IB ministry and OTT platforms. I just want to tell you that here I am comparing two institutions in which one is a still free floating body and the other one is already, that is Bollywood, is already under censorship. Most of the time we can see that in Bollywood we can only see Amitabh Bachchan, uska beta, फिर uska beta. But in OTT platforms it's not like that. OTT platforms actually give rise to the newer talents from very theatre level to the silver screen. OTT platforms just provide them the platform that they can come and show their talent and avoid nepotism. Hence the conclusion of my first point is that OTT platforms without any governance or without any limitation is inhibiting nepotism which had made a culture by our, Bollywood. So now I would like to jump directly on the second point, and my second point is all about courage. Without restrictions and without the limitations of INB ministry, OTT platforms had the courage to display every aspect of the society, whether it is positive or it is negative. We know that sexuality exists in the society, but we are afraid to display it, we are afraid to talk about it. It's all about the mentality, not about the platform. If we bring OTT platform under the INB ministry, then what will happen? We are democracy. We had read that quote from 6th class only, that democracy is of the people, for the people and by the people. Then why, if everyone have freedom of speech, freedom of, displaying their thoughts, then why we are restricting these OTT platforms just up to a limitation? And all the things is not about limiting and restricting freedom. It's about, चापलूसी. क्या होगा अगर OTT प्लेटफॉर्म INB मिनिस्ट्री के अंतर्गत आते? यही होगा कि आज बॉलीवुड की तरह OTT प्लेटफॉर्म्स जो अपनी मौलिकता को एक जगह दे पा रहे हैं वो नहीं दे पाएंगे, वो भी मिनिस्ट्री के चापलूसिना में घुस जाएंगे और जो आज वो फ्री होकर every aspect of the society they are displaying and they will be inhibited from doing that. We are democracy. We have the power, we have the rules, we have those limitations that we can actually display our thought, but by bringing OTT platforms under these ministries, we are restricting this. So, these are all the factual things about those topics. Now I want to connect with the jury and with the audience heart to heart. So I want to give an example कि गवर्नमेंट के गर्भ निरोधक पिल्स और कॉन्डम्स के ऐड को वल्गैरिटी बोलना गलत है. हम नहीं कह सकते कि गवर्नमेंट अगर उसका ऐड दे रही है तो वो वल्गैरिटी फैला रही है. नहीं, उसका दूसरा एस्पेक्ट ये है कि वो समाज में अवेयरनेस ला रही है. वो हमारी मेंटालिटी है कि हम उसे किस तरह जज करते हैं. सिर्फ अपनी मेंटालिटी की वजह से किसी प्लेटफॉर्म को रिस्ट्रिक्ट करना बिल्कुल गलत है. अब मैं दूसरा पॉइंट रखना चाहूंगी कि यूथ, अगर हमें अपने इंडिया के यूथ को 360 डिग्री के डिसीजन मेकिंग एंगल को बढ़ाना है, उसे सशक्त बनाना है, तो हमें उसे पॉजिटिव एस्पेक्ट के साथ साथ नेगेटिव एस्पेक्ट भी दिखाना पड़ेगा. अगर हम उसे ये दिखा रहे हैं कि एक तरफ ज़ारा और ट्रेंड के शोरूम है, तो हमें उसे ये भी दिखाना पड़ेगा कि दूसरी ओर सड़क पर बच्चे नंगे सोते. So my point is just that if only with positivity we cannot bring any change. So now my third point is that कि CBSE एजुकेशन में 8th क्लास में हम बच्चों को, लड़का हो चाहे लड़की, साथ बिठाकर सेक्स एजुकेशन देते हैं, यानी कि रिप्रोडक्शन जैसे चैप्टर्स पढ़ाते हैं. अब कल को आप वो भी कहेंगे कि उसे भी बंद कर दो. क्यों? क्योंकि वो वल्गैरिटी फैला रहे हैं. ये सिर्फ आपकी सोच है जो वल्गर है. ऐसा तो नहीं कि हाँ हम दिखा रहे हैं तो गलत है. हम वही दिखा रहे हैं जो एक्चुअली एग्जिस्ट कर रहा है. So at last I just want to say that if we are restricting OTT platforms under INB ministry, we are just taking that courage. We are just restricting the liberty God, because we are the